Welcome back, guys, and today in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can have Hermes-Agent powered by Ollama model. So it's a local model inside your computer that you don't even need internet to run it. This is really amazing, really special, and let's go to the tutorial. So the first step of the tutorial, what we want to do is to come to this tool here, which is a really important tool which will enable you to visualize what model fits in your computer. It's very fast, it's very simple process. So the process for this tool, you have to use the first command here to install it, which is this one, and then you have to launch it on CMD or PowerPoint or PowerShell with this command. So it's two simple steps which I'm going to show you. You simply open your command prompt and you're going to copy this right here, come to CMD or PowerShell and press enter. Because I have already installed, it's going to show here whichllm is already installed. In your case, it's probably going to say for you to install it, and it's going to install it, and it's going to bring you to this exactly step where we are now. So now to the second step of this process, you simply want to come in here. Let's go there, copy and paste it, and press enter. So this is going to detect the hardware of your machine, which is going to show you right here or at the top. So NVIDIA GeForce 360 with all your computer hardware. And now it's going to give you the ranking of the best models that suits your machine. So this is a big win app that you can have and you can use in your favor. So my score here is 75, running partially on my machine with the speed of 6.7 tokens per second. And the best model here is Qwen 3.6. So this is going to be fairly slow on my machine because it's not running on full GPU, but it's compared to ChatGPT OSS, this is a much better model. You can do the benchmark later on and find out. And obviously, just want to bring your attention here to this tool. There's other features that you can use and see and tweak. So this is a really good tool. Right. So the next step of the tutorial, we want to come to Ollama website. All the links of everything that I'm showing here on this tutorial, it's going to be on the description or the comment section. Okay. So right here we have Ollama official website, and basically it's going to bring you to this here. All you want to do is to come to downloads. And what you want to do is to select your machine. If you're running your Mac, Linux, or Windows, you simply press download it. Now that we have downloaded Ollama, we want to install it. As you can see, it's right here. So you simply install it. So once you have installed, you don't have to do anything here, right? And now we have to select the model. So you press right here to the models or Ollama library, Ollama/library, Ollama/search. And it's going to bring you to this page. And what we want to do is to come here and select the model that it's recommending you. And what we want to press here, just wants the model here on the search bar. And basically the model for me, it's Qwen 3.6. Make sure it's the right spec. So 27B. And this is what we're looking for. As you can see, it's Qwen 3.6, 27B. Okay. So what you want to do now is to come all the way down here. I just want to bring your attention here. This is the benchmark, and you can see informations of your model to see if it's good. And yeah, that's really useful too. So let's go to the models, and this is going to be a list of the models available based on your search. And here we have the latest 35B, and what we want is the 27B. You will see this both squares here. You just press it. It's going to load the information here for the specific model that you chose. And what you want to do is to select the application that you want to launch. You probably want the Hermes-Agent, and that's why you came to this video, but you can do this to other tools as well. So the Hermes-Agent, basically all you want to do is to come to the right here where there is the square, which is the copy and paste. I have copied the information that we need. So what you want to do, we don't need this tool anymore. So I'm just going to open a new tab, and now you select the directory that you want to be launching from. So for me, in this case, it's going to be this one. In case yours is another, So let's say we want to launch on this one or a different one in your computer. Simply press CD and copy the path or find the path that you want. And basically that's it. You're going to direct exactly where you want to be launching, where you want your project is, and basically CD first and the path, and then you press enter. So right now I'm going to be launching inside here Obsidian Vault. And what you want to do is to copy and paste the link from here, right? Again, copy and paste here. And make sure it's saying Ollama, launch, and your application Hermes, and the model that you want, which mine is Qwen 3.7b. We chose that, that's fine. And basically it's going to download. I don't have installed, so we're going to do this together. Press yes. So as you can see, the size is 23 gigabytes, and right now it's in the process of downloading, and it automatically installs for you, so you don't have to worry about anything. Once that's done, it's going to ask us for the next step if we want to launch straight away, and we are going to say yes. So guys, we are back and we finished installing, and now it's saying Hermes-Agent can message you on Telegram, Discord, Slack. This is not a tutorial to set up Hermes-Agent. It's for you to be able to use it and set up those tools. So for now, this instance, we're going to put setup later, and simply press enter, and basically, boom. Yes, guys, this is what we needed. Hermes-Agent home for free forever. As long as you don't uninstall it, then you have yourself your agent home working for you. So as you can see here, it says the model that we're using, Qwen 3.6. And you know, it's good. I also have this other tool here, CPU cooler. It just shows me the process, the CPU usage. So let's put it here, and this right here. Sorry, this is not looking too nice now. And let's just say hello to see. So hello, it is starting the agent. So just give a quick sec, and you know, basically now this is exciting part. When we actually put into use, we have to set everything, make the agent, you know, work for you. This is the initial step for you to have something in your home.